For a moment, I can take a breath, because actually the collectivism in the room and being joined together is far more powerful. It's the people that are leading the charge.
Ko te hunga kaiako e whakamatara ana I tā rātou rahi.
This is an indication of the hard work of tangata whenua and tangata tiriti working together to strengthen our education system and ensure that te tiriti is there and it's safe and we're advancing it.
I te mimuti haere o te tiriti o Waitangi me te reo Māori ki te mārautanga hou.
What we're experiencing, particularly over the last 18 months, has been a change of direction by this government in terms of delivery of the curriculum and in policy. And when you break that down and have a closer look at it, what it means and reflects is the recolonisation of education as we know it.
I tū ai Bruce Jepsen, rāua ko Tākuta Therese Ford, ki te hui taumata o te wehe ngārua, ki te whakarewaina I ngā kōrero ma te mātai aho. No te timatanga mai o te mātai aho, I uru atu a rāua whakaaro I te huki tuatahi. Heoi ēnei, ko pano nei.
What we've noticed is since we've had a change of government, no one talks about the version of te mātai aho that we worked on and we were part of developing, tangata whenua and tangata tiriti, and we're really concerned about what's happened to it, and that's been evident in what we're seeing with the removal of te tiriti in the documents. And a very clear example was what happened with the junior reader at the marae, where the small books are not being reprinted because the minister felt that the 6 Māori words in the book were too many and too confusing.
Nā runga I te panoni haere o te mārau mātauranga ki roto o Aotearoa, ko whakatūria e Te Akatea, ara ko te kāhui tūmoaki Māori ki Aotearoa I a Te Akapumo. He kaupapa e tūhono ai ngā tāngata aha kua kaiako mai, kai āwhina mai, kai tautoko mai anō hoki, kia rangona ai rātou I ngā huanui me te marama keho ki ngā kōrero e pāna ki te tiriti o Waitangi.
The idea for Te Akapumo started from a place of concern to begin with, because we were seeing all of these changes, we were seeing all of the progress that we had made in education being pushed back and the good work being undone.
So this is an opportunity for the leaders of education in this country and the politicians to start listening, to engage in true consultation so that the sector, the people that are best to make the decisions about the future of all tamariki in New Zealand are the ones doing that.
Aha koa te whakamohio atu ki tā rātou rahi, ka noho ngā wanga ki te minita mātauranga.
We have real concern when we have a minister that makes decisions that takes kupu Māori, that takes our language out of the curriculum blatantly. We have a concern for our tamariki and our mokopuna, that our language and our words are not being valued in the same way that the English language is being valued and that the English language is being prioritised over.
Te Akapumo is a manifestation of the people leading the charge, and it's rather than having separate entities, it's having all peak bodies joined at the hip saying leave te tiriti alone. It is our maunga, it is unwavering.
Ko ngā tūpatotanga o ēnei kaiako, mena ka noho kuare ki ngā reo o te Māori, ka ngaro te whanaketanga I ēnei tau mō ngā ākonga katoa. Shakayla Andrews-Alapaki, Tahu News.
Ko te reo, te take.